Good day everyone, I am Jana Vijayan. The summer course of 2021 is about green technology for sustainable tropical agriculture in Asia. Sustainable tropical agriculture were known as the concept of the next generation technologies that will process in such a way to make a proper strategical and operational system in farming or agriculture. There are opportunities and challenges that face due to the sustainable developments in agriculture. Increasing productivity of farming food chain, reducing greenhouse gas emission are the opportunities that created from a sustainable agriculture, while natural resources and environmental issue, poor health and nutrition due to efficient production, employment shortage in agriculture field are the challenges faced due to the sustainable agriculture. Smart and sustainable agriculture with the purpose is to maximize the quality of procedures on their own farms so that the quality of goods improves without affecting the environment. In addition, sustainable agriculture, the one technique that allow or assist agriculture manufacturing together with economic techniques.
There were three primary objectives of this study. First is to identify the new technology in use in agriculture. First new technology is converting wastewater into electricity. Second, converting biomass to bioethanol and natural fertilizer. And third, use coffee grounds into biodegradable plastic. Objective 2 is to identify the range of technique in use for improved product manufacturing. The first technique is managing coffee pests and diseases can help producers cope with the growth in pests and diseases caused by climate change. Second is reducing carbon emissions in agriculture, which is lowering or even eliminating carbon emissions in coffee production is crucial for the sector's long-term sustainability and can get more quality of coffee. The last objective is to improve knowledge how to plant according to their culture. First, introduction of grinding and brewing coffee. The taste of ground coffee will start to deteriorate almost an hour after grinding, so it is best to grind only what is to be used immediately. Second, introduce premium coffee processing. Handpicking is of course the preferred method as only the choice cherries picked and the pest infected beans and debris can all be sorted out.
Next, we move to the result of discussion. Firstly, we will discuss about the introduction to the coffee and cacao industry. For coffee, Indonesia is well known for the foremost expensive coffee in the world that is called kopi luwak. Kopi luwak can cost about 700 US Singapore per kg and produced mainly on the island of Sumatra, Java, Bali and Sulawesi. Coffee in Indonesia is brewed during a cloud patch and is never washed so as to develop a definite savory flavor. In a very predominantly Muslim nation, coffee is that the social drink of choice that replacing alcohol. Next, we move to cocoa. The Asian Gap for cocoa will contribute to sustainable agriculture normally. Development of standards for cocoa production should be a typical understanding of sustainability evolved among producers, the industry sector and civil society in both producer and consumer countries. These farmers are going to be guided in sustainable farming to provide prime quality products that commands high price to get more income, healthy environment and a higher living condition for them and their families. Next, our discussion is about the sustainability in agriculture. In agriculture, it may be a form of agriculture that focuses on producing long-term crops and livestock while having minimal effects on the environment. It focuses on maintaining economic stability of farms and helping farmers improve their techniques and quality of life. Some techniques, such as growing plants that can create their own nutrients to cut back the utilization of fertilizers and rotating crops in fields. Another common technique is mixing crops, which reduce the chance of a disease destroying a full crop and reduce the necessity of pesticides and herbicides.
so my friend for the presentation. My name is Norhazika Izzati bin Izraimi, and I will continue with the next slide, which is the conclusion. Okay, what we can conclude from this program is, first, we have successfully understood three objectives of the program, which is first, to identify the new technology in use in agriculture, like money saving importance of green engineering. Although the upfront cost of green technologies are often higher, the lifetime savings are significant. Green technologies are designed to use resources efficiently, which usually leads to financial savings for the owner. And next, the environmental benefits. Okay, one of the most obvious application of green engineering is the environmental impact. Green technology helps reduce emission, conserves water, reduces waste, and consumes less energy than conventional technology. Okay, the next objectives that we have to identify the range of techniques in use for improved product manufacturing, such as smart water management. Water is an essential need for planting crops, and by the management of water, you can enhance the production. Water management is the best way to improve production. Using the sprinkler irrigation system, you can increase the output by up to 50%. By manufacturing canals, tube wells get a better irrigation system for the safety of crops. And the last objective that we have is to improve knowledge how to plant according to their culture. Okay, we can gain knowledge on how to plant or care the plants that are suitable and effective in Malaysia, such as beans. At this stage of harvest, can only last 2 days and they need to be treated further. This is done using one of two methods, the dry method and the wet processing system. The dry method is mostly employed in Sumatra as well as by the small scale producers in Java, Bali, and other Indonesian islands. Next is the topic discussed are very helpfully to agriculture sector in Malaysia. Okay. As we know, the agriculture sector in Malaysia is important to create the country's food supply. With the knowledge from this program, it can help graduates or farmers in Malaysia to produce quality agriculture products and provide lucrative returns. In this way, Malaysian products are not only enough to be marketed in Malaysia, but can also penetrate the global podium. And the program should be conducted in every year, because the society needs to forget the old stigma that farming is only for the villagers and just cannot afford to be a stable career. We just need an efficient and proactive administration that is able to gather manpower as well as experts to form a super domestic agriculture ecosystem. That's all from me. Thanks for watching, and thank you.